winter can be tough on our health. Cold temperatures, shorter days, and a lack of sunshine can all take a toll on our physical and mental well-being. But don't let the winter blues get you down. Here are 5 tips for staying healthy during the winter months. Tip 1. Get moving. It can be easy to become sedentary during the winter months, but staying active is important for both your physical and mental health. Try to get outside for a walk or run when the weather permits, or find a fun indoor workout that you enjoy. Tip 2. Eat a healthy diet. It's easy to indulge in comfort foods during the winter, but a healthy diet is essential for staying healthy. Make sure you're getting plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and limit processed and high-calorie foods. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. It's easy to forget to drink enough water during the winter, but staying hydrated is just as important as it is in the summer. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Tip 4. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for good health, and it's even more important during the winter months when our bodies are working hard to stay warm. Tip 5. Take care of your mental health. The winter months can be tough on our mental health, but there are things you can do to take care of yourself. Practice stress-reducing activities like meditation or yoga, and make sure you're spending time with friends and loved ones. Take care of yourself and enjoy the season.